Hello, crypto fam. Look, there's a whale alert. Shiba Inu just saw a massive surge in whale activity with about 2.79 trillion SHIB moving in the last 24 hours. Look, welcome back to the Crypto Moses channel, everybody. I'm Mo, and I'm here to guide you through the ever-changing world of crypto. Today, we're diving into Shiba Inu's recent surge in whale activity. So, what it means for the price of Shiba and whether it will finally break out. So, look, make sure you stick around for some key predictions and don't forget to smash the like button and make sure you're subscribed for more updates. Before we get into the whale activity, let's take a quick look at the charts. We always want to look at BTC. BTC is currently in a positive uptrend. If you're on the Patreon, and if you saw my post a couple of days ago, we saw that this was a good buy zone for BTC as we saw it as a resistance, but then it turned into support. So I think with the fact that BTC broke some of those upper highs here, we saw SHIB kind of crash from it. And that's okay because liquidity moves very, very quickly. And the worst part about SHIB right now is we're right in the middle between two sections, right? We're here to here. So we kind of just need to be a little bit patient to see which way it should move. But one thing to think about is its moving average did not actually do a full death cross again. It only did it one here, and that's on the 30-minute time frame. And as we go to the higher time frames, we can see that it's kind of stabilizing where it is. And the reason we're saying it's stabilizing, because this actually is a really good line due to the fact that here was resistance, resistance, resistance became support, resistance again, and now support. So we actually have potential to technically do something like this, maybe break out into here and top out here. So if you do take a play like that, I would even assume that we're looking at around about 11%. As I'm looking on BTCC, I really, really like the position. So what I'm probably going to do is we'll open a $10,000 position. Let's do, yeah, depends on my conviction here. So I'm going to do a 10,000. Think about this, you guys. Because it's a $10,000 position and I'm leveraged at 50x, my margin that's being used is only $197. And I'm just going to market open it because I'm lazy. I don't actually always recommend market opening. I usually recommend putting it in with a limit. So you can do like a limit in. So it sets in the price. And when it hits that price, it will trigger. I'm just doing a market open for today just because I'm in a rush traveling. But so right off the bat, we've opened the position. What I also want to do is put my take profit. So here's my estimation for the take profit. Because I'm leveraging, I don't need much. I just want it to get back to its last top, right? And if I were to take it back to that last resistance, it's 0.002776. So I can come here and I can do 276, right? So boom. So my profit on this trade would be 289. And then my stop loss, I can just do 2%, which would lose the whole amount. So let's just do a half. So now my RR is 3 because I'd make 300 if I win, and I'd lose 100 if I lose, and I'd confirm the play. And now I leave it open. Uh, the stop loss is tight, right? And we can see that here. The stop loss is really, really tight. So I could even lower it just a little bit, give it some wiggle room. And that's the nice thing about BTCC. It's such a beautiful freaking exchange. Look how simple that was. I did leave my link below. So if you guys love trading, you want to do it, use my link. It means the world. But right now we see SHIB at that little bit of a support line. We want to see if it's going to break out to get to that top point. So let's cover the news. Let's cover what we know about SHIB, some of the data that I found here. Okay, so now the big news, right? Shiba Inu did see a 41% increase in large transactions, right? With about 2.79 trillion SHIB, you guys, worth over 76.48 million freaking dollars changing hands in like the last 24 hours. Now, these transactions are typically over $100,000, meaning whales, likely institutional investors or hopefully really big players, are back in the game after days of just declining activity. Now, look, however, the overall trading volume is still down by about 18.25%, which is why we saw some of that drop. This could also mean that while whales are moving, retail interest in SHIB right now is starting to lag. This could signal an accumulation phase as SHIB trades at discounted levels and whales are really eyeing it compared to retail. Now, let's put it into context. Just 3 days ago, SHIB's largest transaction dropped from 18.85 trillion SHIB to about 1.9 trillion SHIB, showing a significant cooling off period. But right now, with this resurgence, we could be looking at the start of something big. And if the broader market sentiment improves, it could go wild, you guys. So, look, what is next for SHIB? Some analysts are suggesting that breaking above 0.0003 resistance could trigger trigger a move towards 0.00033 or 0.00039 and even up to 0.00046, which would be beautiful. On the flip side, if it fails to hold the current levels, bears will take control and it will lead into more consolidation. Now, look, what you want to do is keep an eye out for the RSI because right now it's sitting at a midpoint, which means that there is no actual clear direct direction. And just don't forget, monitor crypto bubbles so you can see a visual snapshot of the market sentiment. Thank you guys so much for watching today, right? Means the world. Shiba Inu's whole activity this month could be a game changer, but the key does lie in breaking these resistance levels or support levels. Now, let me know in the comments what you guys think SHIB is about to rally or if it's just a false alarm. Tell me what you think about that small trade. And see, look, you guys, in the broader scheme of things, I'm looking for a big rally, but in the short scheme, I'm always looking for quick day trades, and you should be too. So then you're always making money within the market. Don't forget to check out any of the tools, you guys. Below, I've got the link for BTCC, and I've got the link if you trade meme tokens and you need to file your DeFi taxes. We'll give you the sheets to protect you. Do not hesitate to reach out. We're still doing free consultations. I will see you guys on the next one.